northern Maryland until 1 a.m. At 8:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Some locations that may experience flooding include Aberdeen, Havre de Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Riverside, Perryman, Edgewood, Joppatowne, Darlington, Churchville, Carsons, Magnolia, Scarborough, Hartford Furnace, Abingdon, Hickory, and Belcat. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.